Takeoff.
The stock main gear doors do not operate reliably. The factory landing gear system shows inconsistent operation during deployment. The nose gear mechanism interferes with the gear door during interaction. There are no airbrakes to outlet thrust energy for a more stable touchdown. The stock 4-cell set will be upgraded to a 6-cell power system with a new motor, electric speed control, and battery configuration. Scale cowl flaps will be added to replicate the rear aircraft more accurately. A functional airbrake system will be added to improve releasing and landing control. Separate servos will be installed for reliable main gear door operation. The navigation lighting system will be upgraded for improved scale appearance. An independent servo system will be added to eliminate nose gear door interference. This project is not only about performance grades, it's about bringing the T-28 closer to the rear aircraft. Yeah.